Alright, so today I'm going to start working on this Neptune pt.1 outboard motor. It would be from somewhere in the 40s, maybe 50s. And as of right now, what I know is I'm not getting spark. So, we're going to start by looking at this ignition system. I suspect, if anything, it's the coil or just a bad connection somewhere. So let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is disconnect all the connections, probably file down all the connectors, just try to revamp this system, see if we can get a spark out of it. So we got the whole thing disassembled now. I'm going to clean it all up. There's some corrosion in there. Just overall needs rebuilt. And then also the coil, someone had wrapped in a bunch of electrical tape, because if you look at this connection, that is very, 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 very insecure. Not only is this end is actually twisting from this cable, so I suspect that connection is also bad when it goes into the cord, into the rubber. So we can come up with a better solution than that. So we'll clean that up, possibly solder it maybe, we'll see. Now I cut back a little bit of this wire, found the actual wire going through the middle. I don't know what this whole connector is made out of, what all this is, but with no effort at all, came straight off of the coil. So that's my first guess. I'm gonna cut this weird connector off and then connect these two. Alright, so it's been a little bit. I did the best I could to solder those two wires together, taped them up. I think I did a pretty alright job given the circumstances. My grandpa's old soldering kit, not great, couldn't really get it hot enough. I'd probably have to get a new one, but luckily I don't really have to weld ever, or solder, so that's good. So I'm gonna finish cleaning this up, put it all back together, see if we can get a spark today. I am missing the flywheel nut that closes off the top. If I don't have that, I don't think I can turn the engine fast enough to get a spark. So might not be able to today, but we'll see. So now I got it all back set up together. I checked the gap in the points here and the gap in the spark plug that I have. Those are both set right, so I tighten everything down. I gotta find this key here. I don't know where that is, but if not, I can probably replace it with something else. So we're just working on getting everything put back together, see if we can get a spark. So it's been about an hour. I've been messing with it, trying to. I put the flywheel back on, tried getting a spark here and there. I couldn't do anything. Wasn't sure if it was the spark plug. Checked that. Used just the wire. Still nothing. I disconnected the condenser. Still nothing. So at this point, I think we need to get a new coil. If you have any other ideas, maybe let me know. So this gonna have to probably see about getting a new coil and then continue from there. So since we had no luck with the Neptune over there, thought I'd at least show you guys the Model A running. This is something I've been working on for the last couple years. It's in alright shape, runs well, did the interior myself, did an okay job. Let me know if you want to see anything about this car.